To my beloved Rose, I never imagined that God's plan for my life will lead me to someone special as you. Salamat nga ginatagha ka ng Ginoo para ipabataag nga kahit kumawon ak sa dang-ak nga importante ak. You are the answer to every prayer I've whispered, every hope I've held, and every dream I've dared to dream. Nainumdum ko pa nga pag-ampot ay kawatwa Ginoo, yakan ko, Lord, ighatag ka din niya ako, piyatag karuyak paslum. And now, here we are today, April 26, 2005, finally ikakasal. I vow to love you with the same unconditional love that Christ has shown us, to honor you, serve you, and lift you up in all the seasons of our life.
You say I'm the only one you'll never be without. Now I found you're the only one worth ever singing about. Will you write my name in your heart? Write my name in your heart.
Anak na gusto ni Taya kay makiginoo, makipamilya, tapos sa gentleman, buutan. Isda mula, diri go dito ya, galaw-gaw ba nga lalaki nga, kuan, basta buutan ni Taya, makisangkayon.
When given na nga mo sa iya, kuha niya thoughtful, kumbaga, premiya nagungus-mus ka, kung especially nga to ako abroad, mumusta kung kumawin na ako, iya, I love you, tapos, amo ito, amon ang naghihapon, mapaya pagbantay, one time to time, nag-update niya.
Mary Rose, do you take Rolando Jr. here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Father.
Rolando Jr., do you take Mary Rose here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips.
First impression ko iya, mataray iya. When intimidating, tapos very friendly kay suplada. Pero as paglabayan pa nang naging friend ko, tapos at nakon first impression, nabaluan niya. Friendly mga niya.
Mahuyula talaga tiya as in. Tapos pag maya ka lang tiya pag unahan mo, kay asin talaga nga, kailangan unahan mo ya para magstorya hiyain mo. Siya niya ako kay crush na kasi kita iya pa pag pinapansin. Sabi pinapansin, tapos amo na ito hiyag-hiyap. Pag pinapansin nagapit hiyaak.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Hi pa, I vow to be your partner in all things, to honor you and respect you, to grow with you and to love you unconditionally. God has given us our biggest blessing, our little Gab-Gab, and I promise to love our family. I love you. See you later.
You and Gabriela are my greatest blessings and my greatest gift na ginhataga akang Ginoo. Kamo ang rason na kalipayan, rason para magpadayon na kinabuhi, yung rason para maniguro kada adlaw na ginhatagan Ginoo. And I promise to cherish both of you in every days of my life. Kapag naulit kasakit ng problema, I will name it to you in prayer, knowing that our strength comes not from ourselves, but from Him, our Lord, who brought us here. I love you and see you later.